Hey, hi friends, welcome to B.ScIT M.ScIT question and answer series. Myself Guru, and today we are going to see the topic from B.ScIT question paper, that is to write a program that will read the string and rewrite it in alphabetical order. Means we need to rewrite Monday as ADMNOY in an alphabetical order. This was the same question was asked in March 2010 for 8 marks. So if you have any queries or any doubt regarding this session, just you can mail me on gurumatrix2004@gmail.com. So now let's begin our session. So my friends, as the question says that we need to print Monday in an alphabetical order, so it means we need to consider each letter. We need to take each letter, then sort it in an alphabetical order. So for that, first we should split the characters, then only possibly we can sort it in an alphabetical order. It's just an overview, how to do this practical. So let's open our Visual Studio 2010 to start our session. So it has been opened. Yes, so first we will go to File, New, and we are going to execute this project in console application. So we are going to say New Project. As you can see, my friends, my language type is Visual C#. On the right hand side, .NET framework is 4.0, and I am going to select console application, and I will say demo on alphabets. So our console application project is been successfully created. Now let's take up the input string. So I will say string. I'm going to create a variable as input, and our input will be Monday. So this is our input, that is Monday. Now we have to sort Monday in an alphabetical order. So for that, as I told you, we need to consider each letter to sort it in an alphabetical order. So before I start doing it, you must be wondering, how it is possible to sort an string in an alphabetical order, because it's a string, right? So how we can sort a string in an alphabetical order? So my friends, it is possible. It is pretty simple. First step, we can join a special character to each letter of a string, that is Monday. Means each letter of Monday we can join a special character. So second step, by taking the special character, by using that special character, we can split the letters of Monday. So first step, I am repeating it, but we can join a special character to each letter of Monday. Second step, by using that special character, we can split letters of Monday. Third step, the splitted, whatever the letters has been splitted, or whatever the characters has been splitted, we can store that characters in an array. And once we store the characters in an array, we can easily sort those characters in an alphabetical order by using the array sort method. So by using the array sort method, we can sort we can sort an string in an alphabetical order. So this is how we are going to proceed it. So let's start our first step, that we need to join a special character to each character of a string, of an input string. So let's do that. So as you can see here, I have declared a new variable input join as a string, and by using the string dot join method, I had just joined a character with comma. So it means each letter of this input, I mean to say each character of Monday, will be joined with this comma. I mean to say like this, let me just show you this. M comma N D comma A comma Y. So what we did here, we join comma to each character of input string, that is Monday. Now second step, we are going to split this Monday, I mean to say this characters, by comma, because comma is a common thing which we can see here, so that's why we will use comma to split the characters. So let's do that. Second step, I am going to split the characters by using comma. So for that I am going to store that splitted characters in an array. So I am going to declare an array first, that is string array, string array letters. So this is the array letters where I am going to store the splitted characters, splitted letters of Monday. So I will say, so where is our Monday now? Monday is in input join, because first step, we had declared a variable Monday. Second, we have just joined each character, that is each char, by comma. Then third step, what we are doing, we are just splitting the characters by comma. So we will use input join dot split. We will use split method to split our characters, and that we are going to store it in an array, that is letters are array of string array, So we have completed the 3 steps successfully. Let me just build this. Yes, fourth step, since we have an array letters, okay, with the characters of Monday, so now we can sort these letters by using the array dot sort method, since we have an array here. So let's use array dot sort. Let me convert typecast it to string, because it is in char format, so we need to convert, typecast it to string letters. So my friends, what I did here, let me just show you step by step. Let me open up my notepad. So we have a input string Monday. So what we did on the first step, we have just appended a comma to each character. So output will be like this. On the second step, we have just splitted each character by comma. So output is something like this. So now what we did here, we have added all these letters to an array. So let's add it, letters to an array. It means day. So now since we have an array here, letters, so now we can use our array dot sort method, to sort this values, array values, in an alphabetical order, so that's what we are doing here in our code. So let's close this. So now we did the sorting by using the array.sort method. So now let's display it. So I will use a new variable, string concat. Now that we have sorted our array, that is letters, now we need to fetch the values from an array. So for that, for fetching the value from an array, we will use for each loop. Use for each loop when you want to fetch values from an array. I'm going to declare a new variable, string c in letters. So I'm going to say concat. So what I did here, so every time this for each loop iterates, I have just appended the each value from an array to this concat string. So let me just display this, console.writeLine. Display output. Is concat. Now let me just run this. Before running, let me just build this and check if everything is okay. Yes, build is succeeded. So let me just run this. As you can see, friends, we have successfully displayed the output ADMNOY, which is Monday. So we have sorted Monday in an alphabetical order successfully. This is how we have completed our project successfully. So first step, what we did, we took the input. Second step, we have just joined each character with comma, and by using that comma we have splitted the join, and we just stored those characters in an string array. So when we have a string array, we can easily sort that string array by using the sort method of an array. So we did the same thing here. Array, by using the array.sort, we have just sorted the array here. So finally we have displayed by using the for each loop, because for each loop we use to fetch the values from an array. So we use the for each loop to fetch the values, and we have just appended to the concat string variable. And lastly, we have just displayed our output message by using the console.writeLine. Now let me just show you how to present this answer in your exam, because this question was asked in March 2010 for 8 marks, so you need to present it proper way. So let me just show you how to present it. What you can do, you can start writing the practical overview on the top, as I did here, like doing this practical in 7 steps, creating a C# console application, then taking the input, join the character, that is special character, with comma, split the character using comma, then sorting the string by using the array.sort method, and finally displaying the output. So I have written every step in an stepwise, like step 1 creating the console application, then step 2 taking the input value from console, and third step joining the character, each character with comma by using the join method. As you can see, I have written some sample snippet also. Fourth step, splitting the character by using comma. So the way I did here, input.join.split. Fifth step, just sorting by using the array.sort method. And finally displaying the output. So this is how I think you should also present this answer in your exam, because since it is for 8 marks, so you should present this answer in a proper way. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any queries, you can mail me on gurumatrix2004@gmail.com. so thank you very much. Have a good day. Thanks.